Listen, I've spent 17 years in the field and a good chunk of time working on nuclear power plant electrical systems. So I don't look at the brand sticker, I look at the build. Let's talk protection. The Fraser-Johnston TC4 actually uses what we call slotted or extruded panels. From a technician's perspective, these are stamped steel sections that offer decent protection, but they aren't quite the heavy-duty louvered armor you see on higher-end units. Broan's FSA3BE, on the other hand, typically sports a full louvered panel design. In a hailstorm or a neighborhood with a high concentration of weed whackers, those Broan louvers are going to act like a shield for the delicate aluminum fins. The Fraser-Johnston's slotted design leaves more of the coil surface vulnerable to direct impact. Under the hood, both units are running single-stage scroll compressors. As a former nuclear electrician, I focus on the inrush current. These single-stage motors hit your electrical panel hard every time they start up. There is no soft start or variable speed trickery here to ease the load on your breakers. However, Fraser-Johnston utilizes MicroChannel coil technology. These all-aluminum coils are smaller and use less refrigerant, which makes the unit more compact, but they require a technician who actually knows how to clean them without using corrosive acid that eats the metal. When it comes to the price tag, you're looking at a narrow gap. For the equipment alone, the Fraser-Johnston TC4 condenser usually runs between $1,400 and $1,900. Fully installed, you can expect to pay anywhere from $5,200 to $7,500. The Broan FSA3BE is the budget-friendly alternative, often found for $1,300 to $1,750 for the unit, with total installation costs landing between $4,800 and $7,000. You're paying a slight premium for the Fraser-Johnston name and the tech-heavy coil design. Before we crown a winner, here's my field-tested CTA. Don't let a contractor sell you a 14 SEER unit without verifying your ductwork can handle the static pressure. A basic unit on bad ducts will die faster than a cheap battery in a flashlight. In the warranty battle, both brands offer a standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty upon registration. But there's a massive shift happening behind the scenes. Johnson Controls, the parent company of Fraser-Johnston, has sold its residential and light commercial business to Bosch Home Comfort. This is a game changer for the supply chain. Bosch is a global powerhouse, and their influence is going to reshape how these units are supported and engineered moving forward. While the Fraser-Johnston brand has a deep history, having Bosch's backing is a major vote of confidence for future parts availability. If a fan motor dies in July, I can usually find a replacement in an hour. Broan parts can sometimes be a scavenger hunt depending on where you live. The verdict? I'm going with the Broan FSA3BE. I'm picking it specifically because of the louvered panels. In the basic tier, you aren't buying for smart features. You're buying for durability. The Broan cabinet is simply better at protecting the coil from the real world. When you combine that physical protection with a lower installed price, it's the smarter move for a homeowner who just wants a reliable box that blows cold air without needing a coil comb every time the wind blows. Shop like a pro and use the air conditioner ratings tool on HVACforbeginner.com to see how these stack up against the rest of the market.